All right, so just a quick recap. What we've been learning is how to become a high six-figure real estate agent. That means $150,000 or more gross commissions, right? This is how we train. And let me pause this video because I owe somebody some money at Home Depot. 1 second. Hello? All right, awesome. You need some money from me? How much money you need? That's a lot of money. You ready? All right. 4635-7500-0911-8659, March 2027, and zip is 30043. A31. $27. $30043. And make sure I get a receipt when he can bring my receipt, okay? We Gucci? All right, thanks. Bye-bye. Unpause. Man, I wasn't even pausing the whole time. All right, y'all can see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, Mr. Andre.